Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for subscribing me and pressing the bell icon. So today we'll continue in day 5 with the partnership method, okay, in ratio and proportion, since we are going ahead with ratio and proportion. अगर आप 10 से ज़्यादा मिनट लेते हैं कोई भी सॉल्व करने के लिए पार्टनरशिप प्रॉब्लम जो शेयर्स के रहते हैं, so if you follow my channel and all, I show you how we can solve that in few minutes. Okay, less than minutes, and that is mandatory question in competitive exam, in school and all. Let's start. The first one I've done it for you. A invested 30,000 for 12 months and B invested for 20,000 for 2 months. My apology, I've written 20, it is 20,000. If total profit is 25,000, so after 30,000 and 20,000 for 12 months, they get a profit for 25,000. Find each partner's share. Okay, so first is what? Investment ratio we have to take out. 30,000 he is invested for 12 months, 20,000 for 12 months. So what will be the ratio? 3:2. This gone, 2 gone, everything gone. So it is 3/2. So that's the thing. So step will be, what will that? 3 plus 2 is the total ratio will be 5. 3 here and 2 here. So what, we have to find the each share. So A share 3/5 into 25. 5 5 is 25. 3 into 5 50, 15,000. B share 2/5 into 25,000. So B share is 10,000. 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds maximum. So this is when I tell practice, practice, practice. We'll go into the next question. Guys, our next question is in the form of A, B, C and C. Earlier I presented with A and B. So A invested 20,000 for 12 months, B invested for 30,000 for 8 months, C invested for 40,000 for 6 months. The profit is 54,000, find each share. Similar pattern and similar steps. Step 1. A gets 20,000. So 20,000 for 12 months. 2,40,000. B 30,000. 30,000 for 8 months. 3 8 24. 2,40,000. C 40,000 for 6 months. 6 4 24. 2,40,000. So if you divide A, B, C, then what will be the ratio? 1:1. Okay. Everybody is invested similar amount. So what is that? Total profit is 50,000. So how much? 54,000 divided by 3 is 18,000. So A is 18,000, B is 18,000 and C is 18,000. This type of things will hardly get 2 marks question in competitive exam or in school exams and all. Our next question is in a different pattern. A started a business with 50,000 and B started with 80,000 respectively. So for A it is 50,000 and B it is 80,000. After 6 months, A added 30,000. Okay, in 50,000 A added 30,000, while B withdraw 20,000. So from 80,000 B have taken back. Okay, withdraw means minus. Okay, profit at the year end is 78,000. Find each one's share. First one we will take out A. A for 6 months. Okay, first step is 50,000 into 6. First 50,000. Then he added 30,000. So for next 6 months, 80,000 into 6, 4,80,000. So first one is 3 lakh, second one is 4,80,000. Now we will take out it for B. So for B, first 6 months is 80,000 into 6, 4,80,000. Next 6 months is 60,000 into 6. Okay, because he withdrew 20,000. So 3 lakhs. So what is the total investment by B? For the whole year, it is 8,40,000. And by A it is 7,80,000. Now we have taken the total investment. Now we'll find out the ratio and then we'll divide with the ratio in the similar pattern like how we have done it for A and B in the first question, and we'll solve the answer and get each one shares. Let's start. So what was there? A value was 7,80,000. B value is what we have got, 8,40,000. So what is the ratio? This 3 goes, okay, 780 by 840. If you divide, the final answer will get 13/40. How to divide the ratio and all proportion I have taught in my initial videos. Okay, so total ratio, what is that? What I have taught in the beginning of the question, we have to add the ratio. 13 plus 14 is 27. So what will be the A share? So A share will be 13/27 into 78,000. 78,000 is a profit. So if you divide by 27 into this one 38, the total answer is 37,556. B share is 14/7 because second ratio is 14. 14/70,000 into 78,000. So total value is 484. So what is A share? A share is this one and B share is this one. So this is the lengthy marks question. This comes with or at least 5 marks in the competitive exam, and in the school and all it comes with a 10 marks. So this is how we practice. If you are solving this and if you want something, do comment with your question and arbitrary values, and I'll solve that and I'll give it back to you. And I'll come with my next session with some more things in similar pattern, and day 5 to be continued. Till then, goodbye.